Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And guys, I left I think two videos discussing simple concepts of SQL from starting to, like, I don't know, but I discontinued that. So from today I will start again, and we'll discuss simple concepts which most of the people are starting to learn SQL. They don't understand, or they find difficulties to understand. Well, I'm referring all of the concepts from a book. So if you guys have any other books or any other things that you can refer, but no problem. I'm making this all simple, and this is just for all the guys who are starting to learn, and they find it difficult to understand simple concepts. Even if you think simple, some people find it difficult to understand. So let's start. And the third thing we'll learn is how to retrieve a subset of columns from a table. Like, suppose we have a table, select all from tpo employee. Okay, so we have this much columns: employee number, name, job, manager, hire date, salary, com, and department number. So what if I have a very large table and I do not want to select all the rows? I want some specific columns which I want to do analysis on and other things. So I do not want to select all the columns. What we write to select all the columns? We write select star, which refers to all the columns in all the columns and all the rows in the tables. Okay, so first, suppose I want employee number, job, manager, like that. So what I will write those specific column names only, which will give me those columns only. Suppose I want employee number and name and job, that much. So here you can enable the intelligence, and it will give you the correct column name if you are not sure about what is the column name also. Okay, so suppose I want these three columns. You can just write the three column names and the table name, and you will get the specific columns instead of all the columns in table, which can be most of the time irritating, that you do not want to, like, see all the columns you do not need from a table. And also there is another thing that you can do, which is providing aliases. And alias is nothing but providing another name to a database column name. See, suppose we are making a table and we are giving column names. We have certain type of rules which we should follow, like sub, underscore, and other things are there. But sometimes those column names can be, like, restricted by some rules which we should not, like, violate. And sometimes that those names can be confusing also. So if we are retrieving some columns, then we can provide some meaningful names. Suppose here employee number, and here name also specifies the. So what it will provide you? It will provide you the alias name. Here it is providing you the alias name. It will provide you the column with alias name, so that later when you are pasting your query, or when you are pasting your query result some other place, and you do not have the intelligence and any other thing, you can refer to this column name easily, and you can understand the context of the query or the result, or whatever you are doing analysis on, and you can easily do analysis, because whenever there is a familiarity in the name, and whenever there is a specific, like, human readable name, which is a good thing to specify, and by that some task gets simpler also. So that thing we can do. And there is another concept from this alias name. Suppose we want to give this alias name, we want to refer in the where class. Suppose I will write where I gave the alias name. By the way, your if your database is can sensitive, then you can write the exact name you have given. So employee number. So I have given space there. So I will write this, but still it is showing some error. Why? Because I cannot refer alias name in the where clause of the current query. So what I will do, I will make this query as an inner query and I will write an outer query above this. So select number, name, job from this became an inner query. So what I will do, I will give an alias. So you can see there is no error now. And remember this one, whenever you are referring a column who has a space in between the words, you have to cover it in a square bracket. If not, then SQL server will automatically cover it for you if you are using IntelliSense and another thing. But if there is some error, so you will not, IntelliSense will not work. So you need to cover it manually. And so what I will do, where employee, see SQL automatically detects and it automatically shows you the thing. Our employee number equals 7369. So I given here the alias, I made this query an inner query and I referred this employee number alias here in the where clause. What it will give? Okay. See, it gave me the name of the employee number and its job. So that is how, if you are giving alias and you want to refer the alias name, so what is the use? You can ask what is the use. We have this simple employee number and you can refer directly also. So sometimes you can write some complex like expressions, like getting a financial year. You can write some logics behind it and which will give you one financial year. So sometime you need to write those expressions also in group by and in order by. So it can be very confusing if you have a 2-3 line expression is in group by clause. So it's better to make that expression query an inner query and select the things in outer query and refer the alias name in where clause or group by clause or order by clause. That is the motive behind it. There is nothing else. So if you have a very simple name, you can refer directly the simple name also as in where clause or group by clause or any other thing. So that is the thing. And we can like what else? The next topic is, suppose I want to concatenate some values, right? We have a function for that, concat function. Select concat a dot. You do not need to select a dot employee number. Then whatever, suppose I want to select comma as a separator and I want to concatenate with the name column. Okay, from tpo dot employee, correct? So by this I can concatenate my row and I need to give it an alias. Concatenated column. So it will give me the values. So sometime you can also recur it, like you can combine two or you can combine two or more columns and form a single column to simplify your analysis. So you can do like that. And there is another way also to concatenate in SQL Server specifically. So you can concatenate using plus. This will also return you the same result, but remember the thing, suppose here some date value is there, you need to convert it into character first, then you can concatenate. You cannot concatenate date and any other things directly. So that's it guys, three simple concepts that we learned today. I will upload another video tomorrow also. This will continue, so do not worry if you did not understand. These are very simple concepts and you can understand it easily. I showed you by the examples also. If you did not understand, then just comment and I will try to explain more about it in the later videos. So thank you for watching guys, and do comment and subscribe my channel. I'll make more conceptual videos on simple to advanced things, so make sure to stay tuned and thank you for watching. Hi bro.